Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to our lesson for today for the first intermediate grade. For the second semester of this year, our subject, as you know, is the English language from the book Full Plus 2. Our lesson for today is 1c, you are what you eat. This is the first part, so today we have vocabulary and read. This whole presentation is prepared and it will be presented to you by Sultan Shahrani. So, first of all, thank you very much all of you for being with me. It's a pleasure to be with brilliant students like you. The second thing, I want to make sure that you understand that our book for today that we will discuss today is Full Plus 2. It is not Super Goal, it is Full Plus 2. The third thing and the most important thing is that I want to ask you, are you ready to begin our lesson? Let's go. Today we will learn the first thing, new vocabularies. So today we have new vocabularies that we will learn today, that we have in our lives, that we see in front of us every day. And the second thing, how to be a healthy eater. So how can you be a healthy person? How can you eat healthy food? How can you know the healthy food and the unhealthy food? Let's start with the vocabulary. A, listen and repeat. So we have 6 pictures, and in each picture we have some words. Okay, it relates to this picture. So I want you to listen, then we will get back together to see these pictures.
You are what you eat. 1. Vocabulary. A. Listen and repeat. A bottle of water. A glass of milk. A cup of tea or coffee. A can of lemonade. A slice of bread. A packet of biscuits.
Very nice. So, the first picture is a bottle of water. So, this plastic thing, this whole plastic thing is a bottle. We call it a bottle. Okay? But the thing inside the bottle is water. Can you see? This is the water. But this one is the bottle. A bottle of water. A glass of milk. Okay, this is the glass. The glass, we use it to drink water, to drink milk, to drink sometimes tea and whatever. Okay, and so on. Okay, so this is the glass. And inside the glass, we have milk. Can you see it? The white liquid. The white liquid is the milk. A glass of milk. A cup of tea or coffee. So this is the cup. The cup. We use it to drink tea or sometimes a coffee. So this thing is, maybe it's a tea or maybe it's coffee. So it is a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. The fourth thing is a can of lemonade. This is the can, okay? This is the can, the metal cylinder thing. Can you see it? This is the can. And what is inside the can? We cannot see it. Of course, we cannot see it. But from this picture, which is on the can, we should know that it is a lemonade. Okay, we know that it is a lemonade. So this is a can of lemonade. A slice of bread. A slice of bread. We know this is bread. Yeah, this is bread, okay? But this thing, we cut it in a thin piece. When we cut it in a thin piece, so we have a slice. A thin piece, which is a slice of bread. The last thing, a packet of biscuits. This is the packet. Can you see it? This is the packet. And this is the biscuits. So it is a packet of biscuits. A packet of biscuits. Okay? Very nice. B. Look at the pictures and name the items. Picture number 1. This is picture number 1. What do you think? What is inside this thing? What is inside? What can you see? It's a pasta. Exactly, pasta. So, what can we say? What is it? A bottle of pasta? A can of pasta? A packet of pasta. Exactly, a packet of pasta. Number 2. What is this? Very nice. This is orange juice. I know this is orange juice, but what can we call this whole thing together? A glass of orange juice. Exactly, a glass of orange juice. Number 3. What is this? It's just like the bread, but it is not a bread. It is a cake. Exactly, cake. Okay, this cake, we cut it in a thin pieces. A thin pieces, just like the bread sometimes. So we call it a slice of cake. Exactly, a slice of cake. This thing, what do you think? Those are mushrooms. Exactly, mushrooms. And this thing is can. Exactly, can. So we have to say a can of mushrooms. A can of mushrooms. Okay, this one is ketchup. Exactly, this thing is a ketchup. And the plastic thing that contains the ketchup is a bottle of ketchup. Exactly, a bottle of ketchup. Excellent, very nice. Let's go to the next. We have read. Do the quiz and find out how healthy you are. So now we want to know if you are healthy or not. How could we know? With this quiz. Can you see it? Quiz. When I say quiz, it means a small test, okay? It has small questions or few questions, and you can do it quickly. So it is a quiz, not a test. Test takes longer time, but the quiz only a few minutes. Okay, so the quiz that we have today is about, are you a healthy eater? When I say eater, I mean the person who eats. So it comes from the verb eat. Okay, eater. Just like play, player. Eat, eater. Okay, so I want you to listen. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. We have 6 questions. We will listen to these questions and these answers, then we will get back to do them together. Listen, everyone.
Read.
Quiz. Are you a healthy eater? 1. How many meals do you have a day? A. 3 to 4 small meals. B. 2 meals. C. I don't know. I eat all day. 2. What kind of snacks do you eat when you're hungry? A. Fruit. B. A sandwich. C. Chocolate bars or sweets. 3. Do you eat fruit and vegetables? A. Yes, every day. B. Sometimes. C. Fruit and vegetables? What are they? 4. How much milk do you drink a day? A. Over 3 glasses. B. I just have some with my cereal. C. I hate milk. 5. How many soft drinks do you drink a day? A. I only drink water. B. Just 1 can. C. 3 to 4 cans a day. 6. Do you eat junk food? A. Not very often. B. 2 to 3 times a week. C. Very often. It's so tasty.
Very nice. Excellent. Let's go back to the beginning. So this is question number 1. So we will read these questions again and we will do the answers. Each one will do it by himself, okay? On your own. You will do it on your own. So let's see number 1. Number 1, how many meals do you have a day? How many meals do you have a day? A, 3 to 4 small meals. B, 2 meals. C, I don't know. I eat all day. So I want you to write the answer, to choose the answer A or B or C on your book, okay? Take your book, try to choose the best answer for you, okay? So what about you? What do you think? I'm talking to you. How many meals do you have a day? I'm talking to you. How many meals? 3 to 4, 2, or I don't know. Very nice. So you know, I will write my answer in front of you and we will see them at the end, okay? So I'll say, for me, you know, I eat 2 meals a day, okay? 2 meals a day. Number 2. Let's see what do we have on number 2. What kind of snacks do you eat when you are hungry? A, fruit. B, a sandwich. C, chocolate bars or sweets. So what about you? When you are hungry, what kind of snacks do you eat? Not the big meal, no, snacks. When you are hungry, fruit, sandwich, chocolate bars or sweets. Which one? Very nice. So you know, for me really, I'm trying to eat fruit when I'm hungry. Between the meals, I'm trying to eat fruits, okay? Very nice. Number 3, do you eat fruit and vegetables? What about you? Do you eat fruit and vegetables? Yes, every day. B, sometimes. C, fruit and vegetables. What are they? We know what does it mean, fruit and vegetables, but C, it means I don't eat them at all. Okay, I don't know what are they, so it means I don't eat them. So what do you think? Yes, sometimes I don't eat them. What do you think? Very nice. So you know, for me, I'm trying to eat them every day. I'm trying to eat them every day, really. You know, sometimes maybe once a week I don't eat them, I forget about them, but 6 days, sometimes 7 days, sometimes 5 days a week I eat fruit and vegetables. So I can say A, yes. Number 4, how much milk do you drink a day? How much milk? A, over 3 glasses, more than 3 glasses. B, I just have some. This is some, okay? Some, but there is a mistake. With my cereal. C, I hate milk. What do you think? What about you? Do you drink milk a lot? How many glasses? Did you choose one of them? Very nice. You know, for me, no, I don't drink 3 or more than 3 glasses. You know, it's just about 1 glass a day, sometimes with my cereal. Okay. Number 5, how many soft drinks do you drink a day? How many soft drinks do you drink a day? A, I only drink water. B, just 1 can, 1. C, 3 to 4 cans a day. So what do you think? Which one? How many soft drinks do you drink? I'm asking you. Very nice. You know, for me, I don't drink soft drinks at all. Thanks God, it has been 2 years that I didn't drink soft drinks, okay? Number 6, do you eat junk food? A, not very often. B, from 2 to 3 times a week. C, very often. It's so tasty. What about junk food? Do you eat them very often 2 to 3 times, not very often. Very nice. So for me, you know, it's from 2 to 3 times. We know that it's tasty. That's why, because it's tasty, but it's unhealthy. Really, it is not healthy. Okay? Very nice. Thank you very much. So let's go to the next. What do we have? Your score. Okay, let's listen. Let's see what we have here. Then we will get back to discuss it. Listen.
Your score. Mostly A's. You are a very healthy eater. You are very careful with what you eat. Mostly B's. You know what's healthy for you, but you don't always eat right. Keep trying. Mostly C's. You eat a lot of junk food, and that's very bad for you. You must change your eating habits now.
Very nice. Excellent. So when I say mostly A's, that means most of them A. Okay, so you know for each question we have A, B, C. So if most of them A, mostly A's, you are a very healthy eater. You are very healthy. You are very careful with what you eat. If it's mostly B's, when I say B's, I mean B letters. Many B letters. Okay, more than one B letter. I don't mean the bees that we know with the honey, okay, that produce honey for us. No. So I'm talking about B. You know what's healthy for you, but you don't always eat right. Keep trying, okay? So this is B. Can you see it? Okay, mostly C's. Most of them C. You eat a lot of junk food, and that's very bad for you. You must change your eating habits now. This is C. Okay, can you see? This is C. So now we want to count how many A's that we have, how many B's that we have, how many C's that we have. Let's see. For me, okay, I will say this is A. Let's start with A. 1A, 2A, 3A. Okay, I have 3 A's. Let's write it. 3 A's. What about the B? 1B. Okay. 2B and 3B. So I have 3B. What about C? How many C's that I have? Nothing. Very nice. I don't have any C. Okay. So for me, I'm a very healthy eater. I'm very careful with what I eat. And also, I know what's healthy. Sometimes, this is sometimes, but sometimes I know what is healthy for me, but I don't always eat right. I have to keep trying. Of course, I will keep trying. Okay? Very nice. So I want you to count your answers and try to know which type are you. Okay? So this, just to comment on this picture, the apple is very healthy food, so you have to eat it every day. There is an old say which says, apple a day keeps the doctor away. Isn't it? One apple a day keeps the doctor away from you. So you are healthy. You don't need doctors. Okay, so this is the end of our lesson. Today we learned the first thing, new vocabularies. The second thing, how to be a healthy eater. Those are the references that we used. Student book, teacher's guide, audios for full +2. Okay, and also Google Clips. You can use them to help you in studying. If you need more information, those are the contacting numbers, the accounts, the website for Ain website and for Tatweer company for educational services. So as I said, this is the end of our lesson. Thank you very much all of you for being with me. I hope to see you next time. This is Sultan Shahrani. Goodbye everyone.